Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to my channel AG Science and Technology Production. This is an output my experiment. Let's start the experiment. First step of my experiment is building a small growth room. It is inlated by a battery operated LED bulbs. We are going to install LED bulb at this point. Let's see. Growth room is cleaned and the installation of LED bulb is done. This LED bulb will provide energy to the plants in the form of light. Now growth room is ready to be used. A plastic container is used for the preparation of bed. In this container, sandy loamy soil is filled. Now we are going to get some seedlings of Vachlia nilotica, that is commonly known as gum of Arab, babel, or kikir. Keep ensure that earth ball is intact with the seedlings. Oh, there are three plants, three seedlings. Now we are going to transfer these seedlings into a bed. These seedlings would not give us successful result because we could not ensure the safety of their roots. There is another seedling is needed for a successful result. This seedling is going to be transferred in this bed. Cleaning of seedling is done and the bed is leveled with the help of sandy loamy soil. Now seedlings are irrigated with the help of water. After irrigation, the seedling bed is placed into the growth room. Now LED bulb is turned on, so may that seedlings would get their energy from this LED bulb. It's mean we are going to perform this experiment in the presence of LED bulb. This is indoor growth activity of seedlings without sunlight. Now we will apply some insecticide around the seed bed. This powder will keep away the crawling insects towards the seed bed. So seedlings will be not affected by any crawling insects like ants and cockroach, etc. Now we are going to apply uninterrupted power. It means there is no failure of power till the experiments ended. Now experiment is completely done. We will check its progress frequently. After third day of experiment, we are going to check its progress. You can see it closely. There are leaflets. Seedling has one or two leaflets. After fourth day of experiment, there is unbelievable growth of leaflets. The leaflets are prominent now. You can check it again. Closely observe the three seedlings. Also check the single seedling. There is prominent increasing of growth. After fifth day of experiment, you can check again. The length of new leaflets become larger than the old ones. The growth of single seedling is also successful as well as three seedlings. After sixth day of the experiment, we are going to check our experiment. Now leaflets are enlarged and showing their colors light green. Without providing sunlight, I have completed this experiment in 6 days. This experiment was completed by just one irrigation. and by continuously application of artificial LED lights. I hope you will like and share this experiment.